Hello everybody, Andrew Majewski here with Epicure. So as you guys can see, I am just working from home. Please excuse the mess. My puppy is here with me, sleeping sort of. So that's why it's kind of a mess back there. I apologize. But this is real life, you guys. This is working from home. So I'm talking about how I became a leader, because when I first became an Epicure consultant, I pretty much watched every YouTube video possible of consultants just simply talking about how they sort of got promoted, how they, the tips they had on cooking classes, how they made all of their sales. So I just loved watching everything. But there's not a lot out there. So I want to be that person to help you guys learn. Okay. So I'll try to keep this as short and sweet as possible, so it's not like a half an hour video. I will try to keep it to like 10 minutes. How's that? Maybe even shorter. But basically, I signed up in 2017 because I wanted the kit. I loved Epicure. I had actually attended a cooking class with a neighbor. I had not heard of Epicure before, hardly, but I wanted to help her out. I like got like 2 tiny things, that's it, but I loved it. And I wanted the kit because it was at the time $400 for like 165, maybe 170. So, and I could get all kinds of things, right? Plus, I had just bought a new house. It made sense. I didn't think I would be selling because I was actually with another company at the time, and that was a lot of work. So I didn't really plan to sell. But then how it happened was people started coming to me like, oh, I saw you posted a picture of your kit on Facebook. Do you sell Epicure? I'm actually looking for somebody. Oh, okay, sure. Tell me what you want. I will put the order in. So it just so happened that I started selling and I started making a commission, obviously. Once you start making money and you kind of realize, oh wow, so I just made like $200 in commission just by putting in a little extra work and working from home. That was awesome. Whereas for me to make $200 somewhere else, I would probably have to work like, I don't know, 8 hours, 12 hours sometimes, and that's hard work. So I would much rather be doing Epicure. So once you start making money, it's kind of contagious. It's exciting. You want to help other people make money. I started looking through our like compensation plan to see how I could get promoted. And I could see that once I started building a team, you can make more money. But even before that, I had people, I believe it was my YouTube videos, where people would come to me and say, hey, I'm looking to sign up. Can I sign up under you? Yeah, sure, absolutely. And I like teaching people. So for those of you who do not know, I have been a tutor for dental hygiene and dental assisting students online because I have been a dental hygienist for about 15 years now. I started my own mobile dental hygiene company about a year and a half ago. So that's my trade, okay? But I'm used to teaching people. I love to teach people. So once I had more people sign up under me, I just decided to do more like trainings. I just like to help teach them so that they could make a good income selling Epicure. Lo and behold, that's just kind of how it all got started. And then once I sort of put my mind to it and started doing more cooking classes online, word spreads fast. If one person does a cooking class, they invite 10 people. And then 2 people might want to host their own cooking class. They invite 10 more people. So that's how you get customers. And that's how you can sort of hold your, promotions and get more promoted, how you stay active. Because with Epicure, you do need to sell about $250 every 3 months. So not every month, but every 3 months to at least remain active. But I wanted to do more than that. I wanted to get promoted, to make more commission, to get free products, to get cash prizes, and to teach other people how to do the same thing. Because with Epicure, and I've said it before, it's not like we're just selling makeup or, cleaning supplies. People, can only have so much makeup, can only have so much cleaning supplies, can only have so many clothes. But cooking products, cookware, food, making that more exciting, easier, and cost effective is what Epicure does. We always have to eat. We don't just eat once a day, we eat at least 3 times a day, and we're feeding other people. So Epicure is amazing because people have to come back, right? right? So you will always have those customers coming back and you will be purchasing for yourself. If you're with a company, you need to love their products. Who does not love Epicure? Who does not love to eat? Even if you don't love to eat, you have to eat, and Epicure does make it more exciting. So did I have a plan to become leader? Not at first, but then I did start to work harder and really look at how to get promoted. And I thought, okay, I can do it. If she can do it, if he can do it, then I can do it too. So I do try to help everybody on my team get promoted because you can do it, and it just feels so good, right? And I just love helping people, as corny as that sounds. So trust me, you guys, and not to sound corny, but if I can make leader, you can too. Because making leaders exciting, it's that status plus you make more money so you can work harder to even, get a higher promotion. So let me know, you guys, if you are interested in signing up. If you are my team member watching this, thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will talk to everybody very, very soon. Thank you so much for watching.